want to introduce you to the multi-purpose joiner Pro23. This product is made from glass nylon. It is not made from plastic. It is UV treated, fire rated with a UL 94 rating, can withstand temperatures of plus and minus 50 degrees centigrade. It can be used interior or exterior. Obviously, if you're using this exterior, you'll need to use the appropriate screws. The size of this product is 3.5 inches long, or 90 millimeters, by 1.1 millimeters wide, or 29 millimeters. The thickness between the two products is 9.5 millimeters, or 3/8 of an inch. The secret to the Striplox product is the very unique locking lugs. These locking lugs have individual angles. When the male mates into the female, each one of these lugs fits extremely tightly at all different angles, therefore making it exceptionally strong, and it will not move. For alignment of the Pro23, you'll notice there are notches. For the vertical, you have one on the top and one on the bottom. For our horizontal plane, you have one on the side and one there. So it's very easy to actually line up for your project. Also note that all of the Striplox products are on the panel 32 system. So the screw positions center line to center line are based at 32 millimeters apart. The holes are also elongated. This will allow for a small amount of movement during alignment. We use a size 8 screws countersunk. On the Striplox Pro23, there is a locking tab on here. If you leave this locking tab in position, which is in this position just here, there's a little wee lug that is sticking down. If you leave that in place and you insert the male into the female, like so, and then slide it closed, 16 millimeters, that will be permanent. If you do not want your project to be permanent, simply remove this lug using a screwdriver or a knife. Then when you slide it together, the male into the female, and slide it 16 millimeters, therefore it will be able to be removable. The mounting of the Pro23 can be in the horizontal plane, the vertical plane, under mount, or bottom mount. We're simply going to install the female and then the male. They go together in such a position where you put them only 16 millimeters locked apart, and then you would simply slide them downwards like so, and that would be them locked. As in this sample, I'm showing you it as a surface mount option. Of course, you can recess these in. If you want to recess these in, on our website we have a DXF file, 2D SolidWorks, to give you all of the depths and measurements. Let's talk about the load capacities of this product. In this shear here, downward shear, this will hold 160 kgs downwards, or 352 pounds. If we're putting it in the horizontal shear, putting it across in this position here and then sliding it across, at shear here it is going to hold 110 kgs or 242 downward shear pounds. In pull down, so we could use this for ceilings or anything like that, pull down is 95 kgs or 209 pounds. It is worth noting that all of the load capacities are to be used as a guide and a guide only. It obviously depends on how you have mounted and what size screws and what surface you are going into. To make it also easy, I have a very quick tip. To align this product with the opposite product, we have a range of jigs. These jigs here simply slide into position, slide them all the way up, and as you can tell from here, they have a very sharp little wee spike. That is where the screws will go for the opposite product. We simply take it to our object, we give it a bang, and that will mark out exactly where the opposite product needs to go. This little red jig is reusable, so don't throw it away. You'll be able to use it time and time again. This product is ideal for You'll find on our website a whole range of downloadable resources including the DXF file for your CNC operation. You will also find these very handy installation instructions. Download them today. Thank you for using Striplox.